going for a graduation party. I couldn't make it to the men's ceremony, so I'll be going to the house to chop the reception. Oh, hey, my love. Say hi. Say hello. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, my amazing besties. Yes, welcome back to my channel, and congratulations to everyone that is graduating, that has graduated, or will graduate, because we know that this hustle of migrating to a different country, studying, acclimatizing to the whole environment, and starting life afresh for many is a tough one. And so for anyone who has been through it, anyone who just passed through it, and anyone who will go through it or who is going through it, I applaud you. Well done, because I know that the strain and the stress is not it. So we had to step out today to go celebrate a friend and a family member, because yes, a win for one is a win for all. Because if you have been through this shaggy of schooling outside the country, paying your tuitions yourself, putting the bills yourself, especially with family or whatever, you will know that it's not for the faint-hearted. So whoever has been through it, I give you your kudos. Yes, like if you can endure this, you can endure more, and you are onto great things. So yeah, we came back from the occasion all chilled, and we decided to make a quick noodles. So if you're used to eating boring noodles, why in 2025? Yes, even though they say, oh, it's not healthy, pack you with vegetables now. You and I know that you love it. You love it. So if you love it that much, why are you pretending like, oh, I'm not going to eat it now? Make it healthy in your own version. So make this one pot noodles with me. This was so protein packed, so yummy. Anybody that says, oh, I don't eat noodles, it's not healthy, it's not this, give them this. Let them test it. Let them test it. Now, noodles just graduated. This noodles went to Harvard and is also graduating, with the graduates. Yes, it's doing his graduation ceremony like it's nobody's mate. So we're done with this. Stir it up, have something nice, something quick, chill for the night. Be thankful to God, because it's not easy. A lot has happened, a lot is happening, but we'll keep pushing through, we'll keep pulling through. Even when we think we've not got it all figured out, we still pushing through, and we're still showing up, and God is showing off through us. So why not? Now look at this delicious, yummy meal, and someone is telling me, oh, I don't like noodles. Oh, hello. I was supposed to, don't worry, our word is coming from the ego. So the next morning we decided to make akara. The beef flour I bought for some reason doesn't work well with my akara, but I just decided to try it this morning. And quick story on this thing. After trying it this morning, it worked, and I said, let me try my luck again. You know that when God just decided to save you one time, it's just a case of a teenager, and you missed your prayer, and like, God, please, I would never sin again, I would never do this again if I just sin. And then you get lucky the first time, you now feel like, yeah, I've played God, let me go the second time. That is just what happened, because the second time was a flop. So the next time when I'm buying my beef flour, I am going to stick to my regular brand. No more trying and error. Yes, so we're going to be making our braids. Like I had to make my hair today. I was looking like a mad person. So at this point, I just knew that I had to do something to my hair, because I need to wake up. When you wake up, when you have your hair done and you just wake up and you look good, you're going to bed, you look good. You don't have to worry about, wearing wig. Oh, well, like you have to rush out and you're looking for how to cover your hair, how to, style your hair or something. That is one good thing I love about braids. So yes, I am doing my DIY braids. So today, let me give you a gist. I wanted to do the usual box braid that I do, and I'm like, why is it that I don't like change? Yes, I don't like change like that. Yeah. So I'm like, yeah, let me just do twists. I'm used to doing different types of box braid, not less on my hair. Like, I've not done twist. I've not used other extensions, which is something I am going to be doing more often now. So you better subscribe to this channel, like and share, because you're going to be seeing different types of hairstyles going on from now. Different colors. I'm going to play around with different colors, different hairstyles. Because tell me why this twist came out Mwah. It came out so beautifully. Machish. It came out so beautifully. And I was busy dulling myself like, oh, this would not look nice on me. Tell me why. Tell me why this beauty came out like this. And I was doing this with my mini madam. She was an inspector checking out the braids, and I had this middle part to do. And at this point, my time is tired. I am weak, but I have to keep pushing.
This is where we are. Look at what's remaining. My tag is tired, but I love it. It's turning out good. It's turning out pretty. Ooh. I love it. Mama, do you like it? Do you like it? I like it, yeah? Yeah, so it's turning out good. The lighting here is not so good. It's horrible, actually. But at this point, I have to sit here till I finish. If not, I might lose the morale. I'll get back to you guys. Look at my eyebags. But it's popping. So I'm trying to find a way to trim this. I'm done with my hair. I'm done with my hair, so I'm trying to find a way to trim this. Like, look at this. To get it trimmed. Wow. I can only do my best. I'm doing it small, one. I can only do my best. So when I get tired, I'll just pour hot water like that. So should I keep it straight? Or should I coil it? Should I coil the tips? I kind of like coiled tips. I don't know. Should I leave it straight? Or coil it? Straight. Imagine coils from here. Or straight. Or coils. Or straight. So how do you see my hair? The color? How do you see it? Yeah, let's continue the trimming. So I finally found a way to trim the hair. Yeah, I was supposed to, you can use a hot comb, like a stretcher, to actually do this, but mine is actually like a baby bliss kind of, is for kids, so the temperature doesn't go that high, and being that it's not that hot, it wouldn't do this for me. So I think I have to invest in some good, hot combo stretcher. Then I had to use the scissors method. You can also use a lighter to burn it up, but I don't have a lighter. Yes, everything was dealing with me today, so I had to find a way and use the good old scissors to cut off the fly out and the rest, and I was able to do it, and I was feeling it. Looking at this video now, I think I would have just left it straight, but this is something I want to promise you. The next hair must be straight in Jesus' name, amen. I will not coil the ends. Repeat after me. I will not coil the ends, because I'm used to a certain thing, and this is my era to switch it up. So yeah, if you're hearing me, you're listening to me, and you're like me, coconut head like me, you want things a certain way, to it a certain pattern, change it up, switch it up. Yes, I'm also talking to you, and I'm talking to me. Yeah, so I'm feeling this now. I should have left it straight, but either way, it came out nice. So this will stop here, pause. This will start here, pause. And this will end here, like layer. This is what I'm talking about. I want to have this layer. Fingers crossed. I hope it turns out nice. If not, that's all. Look at my braids. Finally feel good. I have my braids in. Yeah, so let's do this inside hot water. My heart is beating because I'm doing this hot water on my just look at that. Kai! Girl, look at that. Coming back. I'm coming. So you post to the final look. See, I'm trimming this thing. I only tried with my trimming now. Like, I didn't bad. Come on, look at. Don't mind me, Jerry. Low key here, so now I'm done with the hair, the hot water, and the rest. The rest of the story. But let's say the truth, low key here, I was regretting, coiling the tips. Low key, because I think I preferred it straight. I like the look that it gave me straight, and the fact that I've not carried my ends straight in a while. So I think that was the thing that I was dealing with. But anyhow, a girl must move on. The hairstyle came out good. The hairstyle came out neat, pretty. We're good to go. We look clean. Our hair is done. Check. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to do your hair yourself, just do it. I'm encouraging you. Now this is me heading out and I'm busy feeling myself. You know, when I started it and I packed it, I'm like, it's not so bad after all, is there? I was feeling myself, feeling funky. Come on, you know, hyping myself up like, oh, such a body. So today we're going out again to celebrate with a friend, because this era and this stage of our life is the stage to be happy for others. Once good thing is happening for my neighbor, I am here. I am jubilating, I am happy, and I am celebrating with you, and I am obeying you with you. Yes. So, but my phone nearly broke here when I'm busy thanking God. But because I was thanking God, it did not allow it to break. So we're heading to the venue, another celebration, a baby's christening. Yes. So welcome, baby boo, to church. Welcome to the Christendom. So yes, we're heading to this place, looking fly, feeling myself, and yeah, it's just another chill Sunday. The road is not that busy. Still looking at myself, trying to tempt myself with my phone again. Until that phone will break, and I went home. I will now calm down. Now we're finally here. Had something to eat, just chilling, just staying with people, and that is it, my lovely ones. So yes, dear diary, this is how my days went by. This is the fun moments in my life. Yes, and I'm documenting you here. So this is me writing my diary in film. And if you love to watch more of my diary in film, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So yes, we do it all here. Don't forget, click that like button, drop a comment section, tell me I look good. If you don't say any other thing, yeah, tell me I look good. That's it. So yeah, tell me the baby girl you're trying, if you don't have any other thing to say. So yeah, see you in my next one. Bye lovelies, and stay safe out there, and love yourself more. Bye.